We started around 10 years ago with the idea to create a conference where the whole industry can come together and has really an open exchange, and we bring really the industry together with the universities.
I think conferences like this are so important because you meet people outside of your immediate comfort zone. We're always going to get a second opinion or advice from the echo chamber of the people that we already associate with. So this conference is really an opportunity to meet people that maybe you haven't met before, you haven't spoken to before. So it's about seeding the ideas, it's about bringing together, the industrialists, the academics, to take those ideas through, to implementation to actually solve real-world problems.
It's incredible how much the event has grown over the years. So yeah, it looks like a really interesting combination of people and lots of familiar faces, but also lots of new faces.
The dynamic and the level of engagement is just fantastic. The level of speakers is always very, very high. They get some of the best speakers from around the industry, and always a really good balance of presentation and networking opportunities to continue to grow the network and the UK PLC view of transport and propulsion technology going forward.
We have been investing in UK from last 2 years, and we wanted to engage with the thought leaders in this space and tell them what we are doing in this space and see how we can be a contributing partner in bringing the new propulsion systems into the market. It's a great event, I think very focused on the propulsion systems. So the audience from the research community like Imperial and other universities and the Tier 1, Tier 2 and OEMs are very focused on how we should be doing the innovation going forward on the propulsion systems. It's been a great experience, learn what's happening in the industry and how we can contribute in that space.
This event is an excellent opportunity to get in front of exactly the right audience, the OEMs and other Tier 1 suppliers. For McLaren Applied, it's really important for us to have opportunities to speak to our audience and our customers, potential customers and partners. It's wonderful to be back at face-to-face events, and it's an important opportunity to build relationships as well as to really reinforce our presence in the automotive market.
It's a high-level conference in terms of the delegates that come, so there's lots of key decision makers here. In terms of key decision makers, one of the best things to do is meet them face-to-face and talk over requirements with kit in front of you, because we tend to bring kit onto the stand, and that tends to help fuel the conversation, I suppose. Sometimes people don't realise certain products that you do or certain areas that you work in, and you don't get that on a phone or an email conversation.
Relationship development without face-to-face contact is extremely difficult. It's much easier to kind of build opportunities and sort of see synergies when you're meeting people face-to-face.
We really do make great connections here with both current suppliers, new suppliers and new customers.
We have interacted with academia, with other industries, what they are doing, and it is very helpful to see what future propulsion holds. It's very important in at least engineering to come to these kind of conferences to get new ideas, I would say.
This event actually laid a platform for collaborations and understanding the industrial advancement and academic skills. Yeah, this is the best platform I ever seen before, because this is my first conference.
We see here that there's a large step still to be done. We have to accelerate our innovation, because if we really want to save the climate, we have to work all together, universities, industry, user. We have to understand how we can improve this world, and this is engineering. We have to do it.